made the mistake of turning the generator on eco mode, and the heater was also on eco mode set for 79 degrees, and it shut it right down. As far as it being in full mode, it runs it just fine at maximum power, as it should, because I think the heater only draws 12.5 amps and it's 1500 watts, so it runs it just fine. But if you think you can put it in eco mode, forget it, because it shut it right off. I'm thinking that I probably should have used, I don't think it has anything to do with the plug that I used. I could have used that 23 amp, 30 amp receptacle here, which you use for RVs, but I don't think it would have mattered. I just don't think you can run this in eco mode. And it was a good test. Still a great generator though. I'm real surprised that it shut it off in eco mode. I'm not a master electrician, so I don't have a big understanding about the eco mode system on this generator, although I did read the manual. I probably should have known that you can't run this on eco mode. I just wanted to try it. Still a great generator though. I guess I was just kind of wondering if I ever decided to take this thing like camping or whatever, if I'd be able to conserve fuel on eco mode by running the heater all night, and the answer is definitely not. You can't do it, because it shuts it off within 3 seconds. It's gone. I didn't pop any breaker though, any fuse or anything. It just shut it off. It was a fair test anyway. Thanks for looking. Still a great generator. This generator is awesome.